Presenting the Hyundai 2017 Santa Fe Sport 2.4 Base. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio, AM/FM Sirius XM CD MP3 audio system, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows and remote keyless entry. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.